welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all another Savannah by Urbanic haul. This haul is going to be Pinterest inspired. As you guys know, I love shopping for things that are very Pinteresty, aesthetic, at the same time look good, feel good and are comfortable. That's what we're going to do today as well. So without any further delay, let's begin. The first item has to be this A-line dress. Now this is not a regular A-line dress, it actually has a polka dot pattern on it. Now if you're familiar with the current fashion trends, that is because you follow me on Instagram, which is amazing. So I recently talked about dopamine dressing, which basically talks about the fact that when you wear certain form of pattern, it automatically makes you feel good, you feel happier, you feel joyous and whatnot. And in that list there is one print which is called polka dots. It's very famous by now and I feel like black and white polka dot is such a classic combo. That is why I shopped for this particular dress. I love the fit of the dress. It looks so beautiful. At the same point of time, I feel like it is such a wonderful dress. It can be styled in so many different ways. This dress is perfect for every single occasion. And one thing which I love about this dress is the slit. It adds more to the dress and I love the drama, I love the dress, I love the fit. A major thumbs up from my end. Second thing has to be the dress that I'm wearing currently. It's a bodycon dress. But that's not all about it. It has this floral kind of pattern on it and I love that, you guys. It is available in a lot of different colors, but I really like this one because you know by now I am a soft girly. Pink plus bodycon plus floral has to be a hit for me. That is why I shopped for this one. Also, I don't know if you guys can see or not, but I'm actually wearing a bow today, which kind of matches the vibe of this dress and I really love it. It fits so well. It also has these kind of adjustable straps, so if you feel like it's not that comfortable, you can actually adjust it according to what you prefer. And the fit is amazing. Can be styled in a lot of different ways, especially if you're a soft girl. I feel like this dress is made for you. Just carry a pearl bag, make a bow hairstyle and you're good to go. Third dress on our list is a very different dress. It's a mix of corset with patchwork with white all in one. Corsets and the white color is in trend, so as soon as I saw this dress I was like, oh my god, I have to shop for it. It's a very beautiful dress and it has that sort of patchwork detailing which looks like a corset. So it's not actually a corset and I absolutely love it. It kind of gives me that pirate sailor kind of vibes. You know, the dresses that we wear on Halloween, I don't know why it gives me pirate princess kind of vibes and I'm here for it. It looks really pretty. I really like the fit of it. It's very cinched around the waist and I love that. And at the same time, one thing which I really love about this is that it looks like a corset but it's not uncomfortable and it's a +1 for me for sure. The next item is actually a pencil skirt. Now, this skirt is something that I saw online and I was like, I have to purchase this because A, the pattern is very interesting. Secondly, the color is very different from what I usually shop for. So if you guys have seen some of my videos or if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I always shop for more pastel colors around the pink tones or maybe white tones, and this has red or bright orange on it and I was like, let's shop for this. Let's take this challenge and oh my god, you guys, it's so pretty. It looks so beautiful and what I love even more about this is that it has kind of that elastic around it. So it's not that zippy kind of thingy. It's very flexible, very comfortable in that sorts and it almost feels like you're not wearing anything. It's that kind of comfortable and I really love it. The length is really good for a pencil skirt, which is something that I like. It's not too short, it's not too long, perfectly fitted. In case you're looking forward to trying new colors, looking forward to trying new outfits, I feel like this is a great option for you. Also, pencil skirts are trending, so here is a new recommendations for you all. I also shop for two really cute bags, so let's talk about them. The first one has to be this very cute pink bag. And you guys know by now I'm not impressed by this bag, but I'm more impressed by this. It looks so cute, you guys. It was also available in this blue color. I really like it. It's very small in its size, but I feel like it looks cute, so why not? It's very beautiful and it also has that kind of strap with it, so you can make it a sling bag as well. I also shopped for this textured bag. Okay, just look at its texture. It's so unique in its texture. almost feels like cardboard, but it isn't clearly. I really love this bag. It's very unique. Again, this also has a strap alongside with it, so you can actually make it a sling bag, and I absolutely love it. Those were all the items that I had to share with you all. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. In case you did, make sure that you press the like button, subscribe to the channel for more such videos. The links to all of these items will be there in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.